This is Steve from Roofer 911. Today we're installing new gutters and downspouts on this home. Yesterday we installed a new roof. They originally had a 3-tab shingle that was old and deteriorated, and we replaced it with the architectural. The shingle that we used is called GAF Timberline HDZ. The color is pewter gray. The shingle has an unlimited wind resistance and it has a lifetime manufacturer's warranty. Now the gutter is very important. We're making sure that we screw them into the rafters behind the wood fascia. And just as important, the gutters have to be pitched properly. Now we're installing the Rhino gutter guard system. It's a micro mesh system, and the only thing that can get through it into the gutter would be water. Not even pine needles can penetrate this gutter guard. Can I see the gutter guard? Can you hand me that for a second? Okay. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, here you go. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof replacement, gutter and downspout replacement, and the installation of gutter guard systems. I could be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.